Advent calendar number 7 coming up next. Welcome, I'm Matthew. This is my channel. If you're new here, you're going to be pleased. I've got a ton of videos. Check out the little section when you click my name, and I've got a whole bunch of playlists. And if you can't remember what my name is, just type in hashtag Matthew Shaves and you'll find my channel. All right, here we go. This is the 7th day out of the 12 shades of Christmas in the PAA calendar. Let's open this bad boy up and see what we have. I'm not even going to tell you just yet. The anticipation is high. All right. Comet Bonbon. Oh yeah, look at that. It looks like mint chocolate ice cream. Focus, focus. I do have the little card, but we're going to read that here in just a second. Take a little whiffy. Look, that is so full that the soap is sticking to the top of the lid. Oh yes. To me, this smells like the chocolate mint Girl Scout cookies. And those are my wife's favorite cookies. So I can tell you she's going to enjoy this scent. I'm going to post this up here. Let's read along like we were in, 2nd grade or something. Yet to be released. This is a Ghost of Christmas Future. Scent profile, sweet cream, de-menthol forward with a twist of warm vanilla bean and a dash of dark chocolate. Not chocolate, but dark, chocolate chips. As tempted as you most definitely will be, do not eat or leave this out for Santa. It is just cruel. Speaking of cruel, I don't even have any shave stuff set out. So let me go figure out what I'm going to shave with, whip up some lather. I'll be right back. All right, I've got it whipped up here. What a beautiful minty chocolate scent. Makes you want to take a little bite of it. All right, so I used 1/4 teaspoon. Ran this a little bit thin, 14 milliliters of water, and definitely a nice bloopy lather, which makes for a great shave. And that's what I want today. So the scent is not something I would probably pick up if I seen it on the website. However, the scent is nice. And I could see it for special occasions and things of that nature. Today's razor is going to be the Homelike Shaving Taiga. And it's the adjustable open comb plate. All stainless steel. Beautiful razor. I remember when I could not wait to get my hands on this razor. In it, I have a Gillette silver blue blade. First use. Warming up the razor, I'm going to take off with pass number 1. With the grain, and since I usually go on that side, I'm going to go with this side today. Oh, yes. This razor, hands down, can tackle anything from a mild to an aggressive shave and everything in between. And every time I use it, I'm just really impressed with the way that it shaves. And it goes well with many blades, and that's another great thing for me. And as you can see, I had to change the angle of the dangle on the fly because I haven't used this a lot lately. And so if you ride the comb, you're going to get little lines like that. So you're going to want to ride the cap a little bit more to take care of it. It's that simple. If you're a beginner shaver, an adjustable probably will send you down the road of misery because you're not used to and you don't know what you're really looking for. So with all the options and settings and blades that you could have, it's going to take you a little bit to figure out what makes you happy, what your skin likes, what you like. And so that's why I think a lot of people say get a 3-piece razor, or maybe even like a butterfly razor, because you're kind of locked in with just that one option, and the only thing you can really change on it is blades. And it might take you a little while to figure out what blade you like. Did I even tell you that I'm using this beautiful green and black Trotter's Handcraft brush? I was trying to figure out what would go good, and I don't really have anything with this kind of a green minty, so I figured why not shoot with this one. Pass number 2 across the grain. Oh yeah. And you know, CK6 has a lot of residual slickness. No issue with shave performance for me. It works well. I still enjoy the CK1 if I can get my hands on it, which I think the few tubs that I have left are getting down to the bottom to where CK1 for me will no longer exist. And I guess that's to be expected as things move on in life. And honestly, it may have just been that I was so used to using CK1, I just knew the ins and outs and exactly how much water to use and all that kind of stuff. And speaking of stuff, I'm going to go get cleaned up with some cold water. I'll be right back. Back with the old ice cube stick. Get this baby ready. Ooh. I feel like my voice kind of comes in and out still a little bit, and I'm not 100% over the stuff that I had going on. Man, that's so nice. Grab the old Lancaster black sheep towel. My Dobie came in here. She smells cookies, and she knew I went and got some ice out of the freezer. She loves ice for treats. I'm gonna give this a little splash, a little shake. And one thing I did notice on this soap, it was a little bit harder than the other soaps that I have had in the advent calendar. Ooh. Now my face definitely feels like a Comet bonbon. And I think it has a little bit of menthol in there. Now, I like that. So I'm going to use a little star jelly on top of that. This really helps kind of lock in any moisture that you may have lost during the shave from the soap. You know, it just feels nice. If you've ever felt this and tried it, I'm sure you like it. And speaking of liking it, I'm going to put a little picture right here of everything I used. But what I was really going to say was, how'd you like the intro to the video today? I figured I would change it up a little bit, be a little bit like Mark. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next shave. You have a great rest of your night.